In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Kraken to Koinly. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Wallets tab up top in your dashboard, then you want to click on Add Wallet or Exchange, and you want to look for Kraken. So just type it in. Usually it's going to be here at the top, but still. And then here you want to click on Kraken. And you want to click on either import from file. This is if you already have like a CSV of your transaction history. However, the recommended method is going to be the auto sync, which basically is much more convenient. So just click on that and then press continue to Kraken. It's going to take you to their website where you will have to basically sign into your account. And whenever you do that using your email and password, you'll be able to press continue. Of course, you could sign in with Apple or Google, whichever method you usually use. And then when you do that, you just basically have to authorize it, and you'll be able to see that you've successfully connected your Kraken account to your Koinly account, and then it's going to be seen inside your wallets over here as another wallet on your list. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.